the group are carrying out an experiment looking at the reactivity of different metals, and they're reacting them, it says, with acid. And looking at the amount of effervescence, that's the amount of fizzing, the amount of gas produced, as a way to observe who's the most reactive. So this wants us to explain which piece of apparatus is used to find the mass. The only sensible option there to find mass is a balance. Okay, that's how we find the mass of an object. Then it wants us to give two variables apart from mass that should be controlled. I'm going to go for the concentration of the acid. So that's just, if the concentration is higher, the reaction will react faster, so we need to keep that the same. And I'm also going to go for the size of the pieces of metal. So if those metal pieces become smaller, they will react faster, and that will interfere with the experiment. There's other answers as well. You could have had, say for example, temperature, keep the temperature same, but they're the two I'm going to go for initially. And this one here, part 3, wants us to explain why the copper doesn't produce any effervescence, and that's because copper is unreactive. And because it's unreactive, it doesn't react with the acid, and therefore we do not get any effervescence, any fizzing produced.